Century, Presence, PRATIKA Pro, the new ceiling light with IP65 protection rating and adjustable light color. It is available in 3 models with 16 watt and 2050 lumens. Standard, with integrated motion and twilight sensors, and all-in-one version, with sensors and emergency mode. Thanks to the practical snap system, the frame can be easily removed to access the interior. A simple counterclockwise rotation allows you to separate the base from the diffuser, simplifying maintenance and installation operations. Connect the sensor cable and, in the all-in-one version, also connect the battery to the emergency driver. Select the light color on the selector. Choose between 3000 Kelvin, warm light, 4000 Kelvin, natural light, or 6500 Kelvin, cool light. Configure the DP switch to adjust and customize the sensor's operating modes. Section 1 Detection Area. Adjust the sensitivity of the sensor detection. In the ON position, it is maximum. While in off, it is reduced to % to minimize false activations. Sections 2 and 3 Hold time. Define the period of operation at maximum brightness, starting with sensor detection and ending with the transition to standby mode. It is adjustable from 5 seconds up to a maximum of 30 minutes. Selectors 4 and 5 regulate the sensor that inhibits activation when ambient light is above the chosen threshold from 30 to 100 lux, or completely disable it. Sections 6 and 7 set the activation period in reduced mode. It ends with complete shutdown, and if set to infinite time, it remains on standby until new detection. Finally, Selector 8 Standby Dimming adjusts to 10 or 30% the light intensity in standby mode. To ensure a stable and secure fixing, it is necessary to make 3 holes to insert the 6mm dowels included in the package. Firmly attach the base to the wall. Connect the electrical supply, carefully following the diagram in the instruction manual, to ensure a correct and safe installation. Reattach the diffuser and reposition the frame. At this point, the installation will be complete. The ceiling light turns on at 100% brightness for the set duration. As soon as movement is detected and ambient light is insufficient. Subsequently, if no further movements are detected, the ceiling light brightness will automatically reduce to the preset level, ensuring optimal energy savings. In the model with emergency function, a small green LED indicates the presence of power and the correct battery charge status. In the absence of electricity, the emergency driver is activated, providing up to 3 hours of reduced brightness at 5%, sufficient to maintain visibility. Choose PRATIKA Pro for functional, efficient, and customizable lighting.